Hello, everyone. You are welcome to today's lesson. Our topic is identifying and correcting common grammatical mistakes. Here, this real life scenario. A job applicant attends an interview for a customer service position. During the interview, the interviewer asks him, "Can you tell us about yourself and your work experience?" Then the applicant responded, "My name is John. I have worked in a bank since 5 years. I am very hardworking and I can speak English very good. My manager always encourage me because I does my work well." Now, listen, though the applicant has good experience, but several grammatical mistakes make him sound less professional and less confident. Now, here is the correct version of the applicant's response. "My name is John. I have worked in a bank for 5 years. I am very hardworking and I can speak English very well. My manager always encourages me because I do my work well." That was the correct version of the applicant's response. Now, let us take the explanation of the corrections. 1. Since 5 years, it is grammatically incorrect in the context. For 5 years is grammatically correct. And the reason is because you use for to show a period of time. For instance, I have lived here for 3 years, not I have lived here since 3 years. 2, which is the second correction. I can speak English. Wrong. I can speak English. Correct. The reason is that after using modal verbs such as can, could, may, should, will, use the base form of the verb. The base form of the verb speaks is speak. Correction number 3. Very good. Wrong. According to the context, it should be very well. The reason is because good describes a noun, well describes a verb. For instance, she speaks English well. Correct. She speaks English good. Wrong. Correction number 4. My manager always encouraged me. Wrong. My manager always encourages me. Correct. The reason is because when the subject is singular, such as he, she, it, manager, add s or es to the verb in the present tense. Correction number 5. I does my work well. Incorrect. I do my work well. Correct. The reason is because use do with I, you, we, they. All right, you need to know that grammar is not just for examinations. It affects how people perceive you during interviews, workplace conversations, business meetings, presentations, and everyday communication. Finally, let me tell you this. One grammatical mistakes can affect credibility, confidence, and opportunities. So keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving. That concludes our lesson today. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.